Hey, today I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to build momentum in onboarding using HubSpot and Arrows. So what I'm looking at here is a welcome email that I might send to a customer. This could be from a snippet or a template in HubSpot. It could be either automated or manual. The important thing here is that the way we're going to communicate what we need them to do is with a task in Arrows. So this is a customer-facing plan that they can take a look at. They can immediately see what's next. They can also see all the subsequent steps in the plan. If they click Get Started here, they can come in, they can complete their first task by signing this DocuSign, and importantly, they can go right on to the next task and keep making progress in their plan. So in HubSpot, we can see any progress in the deal or ticket that this plan is connected to. And I also set up this workflow where we can send an alert to Slack to notify our team that the next task has been completed in the plan and we're ready to make progress and keep going. This is just a really quick way to let the customer know always what is next and make sure that our team is looped in on their activity and progress. Let me know what you think.